Asalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about something that is crucial for all of us, especially us teenage girls: skincare. Taking care of our skin is not only about looking good, it's an act of self-love and self-care. First things first, let's talk about skin types. There are mainly 4 types: oily, dry, combination, and normal. So, how do you find out your skin type? It's simple. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser and wait for an hour. If your skin feels tight and looks dry, you have dry skin. If it looks shiny and feels greasy, you have oily skin. If there are areas of both dryness and oiliness, you have combination skin. And if your skin looks healthy and balanced, you have normal skin. Once you know your skin type, it's important to choose the right products. For oily skin, opt for oil-free cleansers and lightweight moisturizers. Dry skin requires hydrating cleansers and thick moisturizers. Combination skin should be treated with gentle products that balance both aspects. Normal skin can tolerate most products, but always choose ones that suit your skin type. Now, onto the skincare routine. Start with cleansing. Use a gentle cleanser to wash away dirt and impurities without stripping your skin. Follow with a toner to balance your skin's pH levels. One of the best natural toners is rice water. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that nourish and brighten the skin. Simply soak some rice in water, strain the liquid, and use it as a toner or face mask for glowing skin. Moisturize. Hydrated skin is happy skin. Choose a moisturizer that suits your skin type, and don't forget to apply it every day. Don't forget sun protection. Always wear sunscreen, even on cloudy days. UV rays can damage your skin and cause premature aging and skin cancer. Exfoliate. Exfoliating helps remove dead skin cells and promotes cell turnover, revealing fresh and radiant skin. For a gentle yet effective exfoliator, you can mix 1 tablespoon of finely ground oats with 1 tablespoon of honey. Gently massage the mixture onto damp skin in circular motions for a minute or 2, then rinse off with warm water. And for a little pampering, treat yourself to a DIY face mask using rice flour, raw milk, and honey. You can try mixing 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with 1 tablespoon of honey and a few drops of rose water. And lastly, be consistent with your skincare routine. Consistency is key to seeing results. Set a routine and stick to it every day. Remember, taking care of your skin is an act of self-love. Embrace your natural beauty and prioritize your skincare routine. Inshallah, with dedication and patience, you will achieve radiant and healthy skin.